Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Free Friday right here on Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. Subscribe today for hundreds of free videos. Thank you, Patreon. Today is gonna be another great day. That's what Brother Lee Mack says. Today is gonna be another great day. He says, good morning, my harmonica playing family.
When you wake up in the morning, you gotta tell yourself, you gotta tell your subconscious mind that today is gonna be another great day. When you tell your subconscious mind that it's gonna be another great day, it doesn't know the difference between the truth and the lie, so it believes what you tell it.
Listen, today we're going to be discussing playing with authority, having a sense of deliberance, deliberately playing. One of the biggest pitfalls I hear harmonica players doing is kind of just meandering around, right? Now, this isn't a less is more thing or a too many notes thing, but it sort of falls into just sort of like being mindful of what it is that I'm doing. So making a lick, making a statement, and then sort of ending it. I'm going to give you some examples of, the right way, sort of, and the wrong way, and kind of discuss that as we go. Are you ready? Here we go. One of the greatest things about our instrument is that you get to inhale and exhale. This gives you a sense of really being part of it because we are breathing through the instrument. A trumpet or a saxophone or any other wind instrument, it's really just out. So you right, like on a trumpet. But on a harmonica, you can inhale too. One of the worst things about our instrument is that you can inhale and you can exhale. Because sometimes we make the mistake of choosing to play notes just because they're a blown out. Just because we get used to breathing in and out, we start breathing out just to breathe out, or because it's habit, or because we need the air. So one of the most important things that you can develop is a sense of deliberancy, of making a statement, and if you need to exhale, well, just exhaling into the ether, into the air. That's all you need to do. Did you guys hear that? It was like some kind of ghost noise. Weird. So I'm just gonna make a lick. I'm gonna do a lick. We're gonna take the lick from my video. It's linked below. It's called One Easy Lick, Endless Possibilities. And here's the lick. So 4-draw bend, 4-draw, 3-draw, 2-draw. Or, so 4-draw bend, 4-draw, 4-draw bend, 3-draw, 2-draw. So I'm just gonna kind of play that lick sort of deliberately, meaning that's all I'm gonna play. I might phrase it differently, but that's all I'm gonna play. I'm not gonna exhale anywhere in the harmonica. The lick is all inhale, and that's all I'm gonna do. And if I need air, I'm just gonna breathe out. So you can see what I'm doing there. I'm just playing the lick. Now, some of you guys might be trying it at home and might be doing something like this. Right? Now, look, I mean, it's an open-tuned instrument. There's nothing wrong with that, per se, okay? But artistically, I like to choose to kind of just make a statement and then kind of know that I made that statement and pick and choose the notes that I want to use. Instead of there's nothing wrong with that, but if that's the way you're playing right now, I suggest to just give a try to just playing the lick. Breathe. Take a space. So that's just 2 draw, right? What about just playing 2 draw? Right now, a lot of people would have trouble just playing 2 draw. Ask yourself, am I one of them people? Do I want to do this? Right now, look, I don't like to say bad things about playing music, because music is a beautiful thing no matter what you do, right? But like, maybe it sounds a little bit like a donkey. Or like a monkey. Maybe you don't want to sound, maybe you want to sound like a donkey or a monkey. There is definitely a place for that, all right? But today, we're going to be more like a tiger. So it's just 3 notes. 4 draw, 3 draw, and 2 draw, right? And with a little bit of bending on each one of them. Now notice I'm not breathing out anywhere. So there, you know, right there I was breathing out on 2, breathing out on 3, breathing out on 4. Right, instead of... If I need to breathe, just breathe. Think about it. When a trumpet is playing, they can't breathe in. They can't. With some MCCD sessions. This is a little Chicago style shuffle. Okay, now we're going to change licks up. We're going to try this one. So those are our 4 notes: 3 half-step bend, 2 draw, 2 double bend, 1 draw. So I can play them in any order, backwards, down, okay, so I'm just gonna do that deliberately. Let's use a little amp. This is my Jason Ricci mic into a little tube amp, little 60s tube amp. Here we go. Start just randomly breathing out instead of taking breaths into the air when I need them. Instead of doing that, I'm just gonna kind of play randomly. Are you ready? I'm gonna get a little donkey in there, a little monkey in there. Here we go. You see what I mean? Now that was a little exaggerated. All right, but see, like, look. Even, it's just about being mindful of the notes that I'm choosing to play. I've just chosen, 4 notes. All right, so even putting in another note that's a draw note, 1 draw bend. I want to be conscious of when I'm playing that note and when I'm not. This is why it's so good to work on scales. It's not about the notes that are in the scale. It's about, can I play just the notes in the scale without accidentally blowing into holes or bending holes that I might be used to playing. It doesn't matter if it sounds good or not. It's about being in control of what I'm doing. So it's not just about blowing out and the donkey problem, the monkey problem. It's not just about the donkey or the monkey problem. It's about being in control of your playing. Because the more in control of your playing you are, the more fun you're gonna have. Man, you get it. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in to Free Fridays right here on YouTube. Subscribe today. Click the subscribe button for hundreds of free harmonica lessons. If you like what I'm putting down and you'd like to support the cause, go the extra mile, be sure to visit my Patreon page. Patreon patrons, thank you very much. You're making these lessons an absolute priority in my life. No matter how busy I get, a free lesson happens every Friday. For as low as $1 a month, that's 25 cents a lesson, you can become a Patreon patron. If you're doing a little better and you can donate more, that's great. Every time you become a Patreon patron, you're helping somebody else out there that doesn't have a credit card, that doesn't have $1 a month, to continue to get free harmonica instruction and much, much more. Remember, we got product reviews here on this channel. We do videos on addiction and bipolar disorder. We got blues stories. We got performance videos and everything right here on Jason Ricci's YouTube. Subscribe today. I'd like to thank Hohner Harmonicas. And I'd like to thank Blue Moon Harmonicas, making custom parts for any harmonica that you might have at home. Blue Moon has got you. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, pedals, amplifiers, microphones, you name it, much more. Right here out of Louisiana, the Lone Wolf Blues Company is bringing you the best in customer service for almost any kind of amplified blues harmonica needs that you may have. Speaking of amplifiers, Harp Gear amplifiers, check them out. The very best Harp Gear, right out of Ocala, Florida. I got a website, www.mooncat.org. Check me out on mooncat.org. I got tour dates happening all over the place. I'm going all over the country this year, playing tour dates with J.J. Appleton, with Damon Fowler, with J.P. Soares, with my own band, with Joe Crown, all kinds of people. www.mooncat.org. T-shirts, lesson information, all of that. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. We do this every single Friday, and then every now and then I throw you some more stuff right here at Jason Ricci's YouTube. A Mooncat, love and appreciate all y'all. Thank you.